Alright guys, got something here we're going to try. You can see this is on a 2013 F-150 with a 3.5 liter ecoboost. I've been having some trouble with it kind of skipping misfiring. I've changed all the plugs, all the coil packs, so that set me back a few $100s. Change air filters, service it of course, even had it reprogrammed with the transmission. But what I did and seen on the internet that a lot of folks seem to have success with is drilling a hole. Now I've already taken off your guard is the back out where you can see the guard here. These little cam screws, I guess you call them, they just pop right out, which you probably don't even have to take them off. And there's one bolt that sits right there, one nut that holds the plastic shield on, and you can take that off and drop down where you could actually get into your intercooler. So that's a 15mm socket that you'll need to take that off. Now what everybody has been drilling, if you can see from the front, is right in this area here. And some have been doing it more in the corner, but I think I could get a drill bit in here a little bit easier and drill through that. So we're going to drill, see if we can't release some condensation and see how it works here. I'm going to have to set the phone down to drill it. I just drilled a hole and you can see already oil starting to drip out in water, which they say is condensation that builds up. So I think this definitely is a good sign. Now I'm using a .062 drill bit, which is pretty much a 1/16 of an inch. You can see it's still coming out. I'm going to crank it up and see how much actually starts to come out of this thing. And y'all, I have tried everything in the world to fix this problem. Oh wow. That's not supposed to be in there. You can see how much just shot out. And this was from the time that I crunk it up to get back underneath it to film it to you guys. That's crazy. Alright, hopefully I'll take it for a test spin and see what it does, and I hope that gets it fixed. The reason why I wanted to go ahead and try something was I was pulling a trailer with a tractor on it yesterday, and it started coding and pretty much put the truck in a dead state. And reading on the Ford forums and in a manual, it pretty much kills the engine where you can't really accelerate much just to protect the motor. So hopefully this will fix it. Like I said, I've already went through plugs, completely new coil pack, boots, the whole 9 yards, everything else. But this is the last resort. Guys at the Ford place had no clue what I was talking about. So let's see. Thank y'all. Update later.